Controller drift can be frustrating, especially in competitive games like FIFA 24. This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially fix controller drift issues. Step 1. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can accumulate around the analog sticks, causing drift. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dirt and gently wipe the sticks with a microfiber cloth. Step 2. Adjust dead zones. In the game settings, navigate to the controller options and adjust the dead zone settings. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 3. Update firmware. Check if your controller has a firmware update available. Manufacturers often release updates that can fix bugs and improve performance. Connect your controller to your console or PC and follow the instructions to update. Step 4. Reset the controller. Sometimes resetting the controller can resolve drift issues. Look for a small reset button on the back of the controller, press it with a pin or paperclip, and then reconnect the controller to your device. Step 5. Consider replacement. If the drift persists after trying the above steps, it may be time to consider replacing the controller. Look for a model known for durability and good performance to avoid similar issues in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift and enhance your gaming experience. Good luck on the pitch.